How to use Facebook Live from the Facebook app on your phone. If you want to go live on Facebook from your phone, it's really quick and easy to do so. First, either from your home page or your profile page, begin by creating a post. From the options of what you can use in your post, you'll see the live video option. This allows you to go live on Facebook. Facebook Live has various features within it to make your live as enticing and engaging as possible. In the top left corner, you'll see options to switch your camera from your front camera to your back camera, and you can also play with the flash if you're indoors. Just below that is a drop-down where you can select your audience settings. You can choose your live to be public to anybody on Facebook, just your friends, only specific friends, or only yourself. Next, you can add a description for your Facebook Live. This appears for anybody visiting the live. You can also add emojis into your description. Once your description is complete, click Done in the top right corner. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a magic wand. This presents you with different types of filters, masks, and stickers to add to your live. They're sorted at the bottom by favorites, recently used, and the type of filter that they are. On the right-hand side, you'll see a pen icon. This allows you to add any overlay text that you want to your Facebook feed, and you can choose the color that you'd like to add. On the left side of the colors, you see an undo button to undo any edits you made, and you can click the trash bin to delete your edits. Beside the pencil icon is a tool icon. Here you can flip the screen horizontally, vertically, and you can change the brightness settings. Once you have all your settings complete, you can start your live video. To start your Facebook Live, click the Start Live Video button. In the top left corner of the screen, you'll see the red live icon, which shows that your video is live. You can continue to change your settings throughout your live by using the icons at the bottom of your screen. As visitors join your Facebook Live, you'll see comments and likes feed in through your screen. You can also respond to comments by selecting the comment icon in the bottom of the screen. Once you're done your Facebook Live, you can end it by clicking the Finish button in the bottom right corner. Facebook now presents you with the option to post a recording of your live video to your feed. You can change the privacy settings of your live video post by selecting the drop-down with your audience settings. Alternatively, you can click the Save button in the bottom left corner. This will save the recording of your live video to your camera roll. You can share the video with other people or to a Facebook page by clicking Share. And if you don't need the video at all, you can click the Delete button. And that's how to use Facebook Live from the Facebook app on your phone. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.